Lego building bricks are a fun and creative toy for all ages, but keeping a large collection organized can be challenging. To help, consider sorting your pieces by type, size, and color. Group smaller pieces together to make it easier to find what you need. If you have the original packaging or instruction booklets, use them to identify and sort pieces. Store your Lego collection in clear plastic bins or drawers, making sure not to overload them for easy access. Consider categorizing pieces based on frequency of use to help with organization. Make sure to choose bins of various sizes to accommodate different pieces. Ziploc bags can help keep small pieces together within larger bins. Lastly, invest in a storage system that suits the size of your collection, such as a cabinet with clear drawers for easy visibility.